Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you will be fine and good. This is your teacher Shaista Shah with lecture number 1. Today is the first class of General Science session 2021 and today we will learn about the topic habitat. So before going to start my topic, first of all, I will tell you about the book title General Science. So let's define General Science. Students, what is science? Knowledge about the natural world that is based on facts learned through experiments and observations. So now come to our today's topic, habitat. Our today's topic is habitat. But first I will show you some animals and their habitats. So in this picture you can see some animals and their habitats where these animals live. You can see here these animals and their specific habitats like sheep and lamb lives in cattle shed, goat and kid lives in cattle shed, horse and foal lives in horse stable, zebra and foal lives in bushes. Now habitat. What is habitat? A natural home or environment of an animal, plant or other organism called habitat. A place or location where an organism lives and exists. Another definition of word habitat is the habitat is the place where an animal lives. It may be land, water, air, desert, or forest where an animal eats, lives, grows, and brings up its babies. Now, let's discuss types of habitats. Here are 5 types of habitat to discuss. First one is aquatic habitat, second one is forest habitat, third one is desert habitat, fourth one is grassland habitat, fifth one is polar habitat. So let's discuss aquatic habitat. Aqua means water, those areas which have a lot of water. The habitat that has water in its surrounding in which the organisms live is called aquatic habitat. Many sea animals live in aquatic habitat like whale, sea turtle, fish, shark, octopus, jellyfish and dolphin. Aqua means water. Some animals live in ocean, sea, river, lake. So, the animals which live in water are called aquatic habitat: fish, swan, frog, turtle, dolphin, etc. Now, forest habitat. A forest habitat is a forest or woodland, a place to live for a variety of plants and animals. Forests are the lungs of nature that provide oxygen for us to breathe, survive, and maintain a healthy ecosystem. Forests provide food, fuel, and raw materials for human beings to use. A forest habitat is a forest or woodland which provides habitat, a place to live for a variety of plants and animals to look at. A forest habitat is a collection of trees that cover a specific area. Deer, bear, monkey, leopard, snake, and wolf live in forest. Let's discuss desert habitat. Deserts are usually hot and very dry region and very less water there, so there are very less animals and plants can survive like camel and cactus. Deserts are usually hot and very dry place It's difficult for trees to grow and many plants are small. Many desert animals are nocturnal. It's colder and more comfortable for animals at night. Gerbils live in deserts. They are nocturnal herbivores. They have got two short legs, two long legs, and a long tail. Their tails are longer than their bodies. They can jump and run fast to escape carnivores. Camel, scorpions, and lizard lives in desert too. Let's talk about grassland habitat. Grassland is the region of grasses. Grassland habitat are the places that receive more rain than the desert. Grassland have lots of grasses and some trees. Grassland is a region of grasses. Grassland habitat are places that receive more rain than the desert but less participation than forest. Grassland have lots of grasses and some trees. They have a rainy and dry season. The dry season is longer than the rainy season. Giraffe and zebra live in the grassland and eat plants. Leopard, cheetahs, and lions hunt these herbivores. Let's explore polar habitat. Polar habitat are located at the very top and very bottom of the earth. They are called windy and have a lot of snow and ice. It's even too cold for trees to grow. Tundra takes up a lot of the area of polar habitats. Penguin, polar bears live in polar region. So, okay dear students, this was all about today's lecture. We will meet with next lecture. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.